Today I'm in the bigger midstream, specifically Midlands estate, and this estate do have like 3 communal swimming pools, an indoor heated swimming pool, there's a herb garden, play areas for the kids, tennis courts, squash court, everything you're looking for, open area, and do have about 1,600 houses in the full estate. It's located close to the Midstream Mediclinic and also very close to the main gate with 2 entrances that can go out to the N1. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it will go in the market for 5,890,000 rand with gas, electric, air conditioning in the living areas and the main bedroom, and beautiful open spaces with a swimming pool in the front. It's located on a corner stand, and let's stop talking and let me show you. Entering, like I mentioned, a lot of solid wood inside. This is the first living area, and then from here your double garage entering. You got solar, you got inverter, there's also batteries. This can be your formal lounge, or it also can be a bedroom. The ideal will be to use it as a formal lounge reception area. From here you can also go outside onto your patio, but let's look at the rest of the property on this side. Solid doors with the architraves all around. Your staircase coming in, your powder room that's also separate, and this living area can also be kept separate from this area here. Like I mentioned, this can be your informal lounge or dining, so you can play around with these 2 areas, and then a solid kitchen, double eye level oven, electric on this side, your gas next to the double door fridge. Here you got space for even a bigger fridge, water connection on this side, and also a water purifier that's built in. This is still granite tops, and it's not the normal Rustenburg, it's a bit profile above the standard black Rustenburg. Your dishwasher that's built in, and then also your scullery, and then on this side you got a laundry area that's totally separate, and it's going out onto your courtyard. Enough cupboard space, and like I mentioned, your laundry can be enclosed also. Looking at this, that gas fireplace that you guys see there is on wheels, so that's not part of the sale. And this is then a full open area that's going out onto this covered balcony on this side also. So here you've got sliding aluminium slider doors, and this whole patio area is also enclosed with glass folding stacking doors, and from here we can go onto the swimming pool. North is basically straight in front, and your east, where the sun is basically rising on this side. You'll also notice there's a camera system with 9 cameras already fitted, and then this is your main bedroom. It's coming directly onto the pool, and then this beautiful open yard space. Matured garden, landscaped, And you also notice the glass balustrades that's also installed that make it very beautiful and give it a complete finish. You got some extra space, a drive-through, that's where the double carport is coming in, and then also your staff accommodation, and then extra parking space. As you can see, I've mentioned the aluminium frames. There's gutters fitted all around, and then also camera system showing from this side and from this side. Beautiful flooring, newly done. Look at this architrave here as well. And then on this side, we do have a study with solid cupboards to the top. And like I mentioned, you can see the 9-digit camera system. Entering the main bedroom, all the cupboards have this extra lights that is installed. So this is for his, and then we also have hers that I will show you now. Notice on the size of furniture, it is just specifically extra large. So if you don't have big furniture, this room is extra big if you look at the size of this furniture. Remember, this is going directly out onto your pool, and then coming in here, entering, we do have a walk-in for the ladies as well, and a nice long walk-in cupboard, and then your main ensuite on the side. Full bathroom, double basins, his and hers, and then shower, basin and toilet, and then also one of these heater lights for winter time. Let's look at the upstairs. Also this staircase lights. The first bedroom on this side also well sized, with its own ensuite, cupboards to the top, full bathroom, shower, basin and toilet. This one also sharing the balcony. And specifically, I want to place your attention on the view. As far as the eye can see, I can see the R21, the airport road from here, and it's running there. And it's a clear day, and like I mentioned, as far as you can see, it's a beautiful view from here. Then the second bedroom also sharing on this balcony. I'll show you now from that side. So these two bedrooms will use this bathroom, shower, basin and toilet. Tile to the top, high ceilings. solid doors, and again another bedroom. This one will be a bit cooler. You've got an eastern window and a southern window, but this is ideal, a summer room for guests. And cupboards tiled also to the top, ample amount of cupboards here. So remember, this bedroom will also make use of the bathroom behind you. Look at the size on this bedroom, nice northern sunlight coming in, and then also a big bedroom. The only thing that I will mention is that there's not a lot of things to be done on this house. You can maybe personalize colors, it's the small things, but this is a solid property, and like I mentioned, it's going in the market for 5,890,000. It's got 4 bedrooms, of which the main bedroom is downstairs. That makes it ideal. You've got 3.5 bathrooms. You got a double garage, double carport, staff accommodation, open plan living areas, corner stand, swimming pool. The right location, ready for you to buy it today. If you like it, subscribe to the channel and follow for more.